Hello everyone. In this video, we are discuss the leading causes of fraudulent and illegal businesses. The leading causes of fraudulent and illegal business is greed. Many business owner and executive are motivated by the desire for wealth and success, and some are willing to engage in illegal or unethical practices in order to achieve these goals. Fraudulent and illegal businesses often engage in practice such as misrepresenting financial statement, inflating revenues and profits, and hiding liabilities. They may also engage in practices such as bribery, embezzlement, money laundering, and insider trading. These practices are illegal and unethical, and they can cause significant harm to investors, employees, customers, and the broader economy. Another contributing factors to fraudulent and illegal business is the lack of effective regulation and oversight. In some countries, there may be weak or non-existent regulatory frameworks for businesses, which can create opportunities for fraud and other illegal activities. Additionally, in some cases, regulatory agencies may be understaffed, underfunded, or subject to political influence, which can limit their ability to effectively enforce the law and prevent fraud. Finally, the pressure to succeed and the fear of failure can also contribute to fraudulent and illegal business practices. In competing industries, business owners and executives may feel pressure to meet or exceed financial targets, which can lead to unethical or illegal practices. Similarly, the fear of failure can motivate some business owner and executive to engage in fraudulent activities in order to avoid bankruptcy or other negative outcomes. Overall, the leading cause of fraudulent and illegal businesses is greed, but it is often accompanied by other factors such as weak regulation, pressure to succeed, and fear of failure. To prevent fraudulent and illegal businesses practices, it is important to have strong regulatory framework, effective enforcement mechanism, and a culture of ethical behavior within the business community.